is my second Handi quilter class with Fabric Bash, and it's been great both times. The instructors are very informative. Everybody's really friendly. You can ask lots of questions and learn lots of good stuff the whole time.
So I just completed a pro stitcher and free motion class with one of the Handi Quilter national educators. It was a great day. Learned some new techniques. Actually got to make a placemat to bring home. And was just really excited to try new things. This is my year to expand my use of my Handi quilter.
Wow, you guys, we just finished an event. What do you think?
It was amazing. It went really well.
I'm super excited about it.
So we just finished the Heart of America Quilting Festival here in Lincoln, Nebraska.
Yeah.
We had
3 educators.
3 educators, 2 classrooms, 12 machines, lots of students.
Absolutely.
And lots of sales. So it was totally fabulous. But the part that I take away from it is just the connectivity of our quilting community and
Absolutely.
the educators.
Absolutely. You had 4 days of just fun, excitement, building relationships.
Watching quilters in their environment brings out the best in them, which brings out the best in us.
Yeah.
So I think the whole week overall was an absolute success.
The hotel was a great environment, being close to the Haymarket.
Right in the Haymarket down here for all of the all of the restaurants. The hotel was fabulous. The staff was fabulous.
Yeah.
So Hyatt Place is number 1 on our list down here in Haymarket. It's pretty fabulous.
Absolutely.
Yep.
We definitely have a launching pad to look at doing something again next year, without a doubt.
Right. So we have to reevaluate, but most likely, I think if we had to lean one way or the other, we're leaning towards doing this event next year.
Absolutely.
So you're going to have to watch all of our Facebook pages, our YouTube channels, and sign up for the newsletter at fabricbash.com. Do you guys have a newsletter?
We have our Quilt Club newsletter, yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So where do they sign up for that?
You can sign up at A to Z Vac-N-Sew.com, A-T-O-Z Vac-N-Sew.com, or email us at a2znorfolk@gmail.com.
So one of the things that I think, besides this great event, that my great other takeaway, now that I just thought about it as we were sitting here, I love the fact that this whole Nebraska Nice and that you guys took a chance on Fabric Bash and vice versa. We took a chance on you guys and built this fantastic relationship for our quilters to support them, right?
Yes. Absolutely. Retailers working together to provide an awesome experience for our community. That's what this is all about. Yeah.
Right. So, go ahead.
We want to keep building off that, and I think retailers have an opportunity. This is a small community, so we should be supporting each other, finding ways to better serve our community. So it was fun. It was good to get to know all your family, and
We had a few days to hang out together. It was like so much fun.
Probably a quarter of them, I guess.
Yeah.
4 of 20.
Well, you two run your business and with your mom, and it's amazing, right?
Yeah.
So you guys are fabulous. While Jake and I, who was sick, so he is home and sad that he couldn't be a part of this interview.
Right. Yeah, I bet.
And then my 2 boys were down here helping as well. So that's, again, that community helping the community helping the community. So this quilting community is very exciting. We're going to put our noggins together to see if we can make this even better and more fun. So make sure you tell all of your friends about it, and all of you that did come to the event, make sure you comment and give us your experience, because that's super important to help us grow this event. So we need your help to grow this, right?
Yep, absolutely.
It was awesome.
I want to thank all the ladies that came and made it as successful as it was. So watching Fabric Bash and A to Z come together like that shows like the community that we can build together also stimulates the women and gives them a better experience too, and showing that partnership is a good thing. So.
Yep.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nebraska. Thank you, Tina, Annette, and Loretta for doing such a fabulous job. If you guys want to know what the A team looks like, it's those three ladies together. And then we can't not forget Casey.
Yes.
Casey has been
magic man.
Absolutely amazing, and he's the silent person that sets up all these machines, and he quietly drives the truck all of these beautiful places, and he just rolled in so we can get this room taken care of, and the machines can go on to the next fabulous event, which I think is Paducah.
Paducah.
Right.
And also thank you to Diane, Tammy, and Nate with Handi Quilter helping us put this thing on. Appreciate
Absolutely. We couldn't have
Mark.
done it without their support.
And Mark.
Oh yeah, all my kids, my staff is good, my boys are good. It's all good. But thank you, quilting community. You are fabulous.
it. Yep.
Yep.